my respectful lecturer, Dr. Noshunda, and my fellow friends. Hi, I'm Muhammad Fikri bin Ahmad Sabri, metric number 2074402 from campus UUM Sintok. Today, I want to discuss about advantage of online shopping. Shopping style has been changed a lot with the use of internet. It has significant advantage and it benefit. People prefer buying things online rather buying it from store. How online shopping is beneficial. What are the benefits of online shopping? Let's discuss the advantage of online shopping in detail. First point is global coverage. Online shopping let its user buying things online globally. For an example, if some is located in Malaysia and want to purchase things from China, buyers can simply search the product on the referring website and place an order to buy. Same order will be shipped by the vendor to Malaysia and delivered to the shopper home without any hassle. Secondly point is discounted deal. Cheap deal and discounted deal are available online. We can use discount coupon to reduce the actual price. Online shopping things often come from manufacturer to buyer directly. There is no middleman commission involved into this. Some tax benefits are also there in online sales system. Hence, the cheapest cost of the purchase thing to the buyers. Thirdly point is different variety. This is one of the amazing benefits of online shopping. Buyers will get multiple options with multiple brands to choose and buy at one place. A good volume of stock is available online if compared with any retailer store. Fourthly point is easy cost comparison. Online shopping is a best platform to buy things after comparing its price. At one place, we can compare the price from the different brand of best qualities being offered by the e-commerce website. We can compare the review to regarding that thing easily. Last point from me, shopping without compulsion. Sometimes we walk to a store and start shopping. We end up buying things even if we are not much satisfied with the good because customer is always made kind force to purchase things. Online shopping will let you search and shop without any compulsion online. That's all from me. Thank you, Doctor. And beloved friends. Next, I pass to my friend to present another opinion.
Thank you, my friend Fitri Sabri. Assalamualaikum, Dr. Syuhada binti Jamaluddin. My name Muhammad Saiful bin Ramli. My metric number 274370 from campus UM Sintok. So with a discussion of advantage of shopping online. Purchase and privacy. I have 5 points. So my first point, purchase and privacy. Sometimes think better purchase in privacy of your home. Online platform, online platform, the best for the case in purchase. It enable buyer to buy intimate thing like undergarment without any embarrassment that people are watching around. Surprise, gift presentation. Uh, Furthermore, online shopping service can be used for sending gift to friend and relative. We can use online shopping to buy their favorite gift and sending them at the same time. Here's seller fee. And my third point, easy refund and return. In fun, online shopping has the advantage of easy refund and return. If the received item is defect of buyer are not sanitized with the item, buyer can contact with seller for return or for refund or return back the item without hassle. It is more convenient with retail shop where you have to get to the shop and complain first regarding the item. If you got lucky, then you can exchange or you get a refund. Purchase which invoice. Sometimes we take to throw away or mislapish receipt after buying item in the physical store. But when we purchase item online, it usually come with electronic invoice where we have soft copy of the invoice. Also, it will be easy for purchase and refund. And the last point for me, more control. Sometimes we end up speed over the budget on purchase that we entirely planned. In online store, we usually add to cart item that we want and review back the item in cart. Usually we will discard back irrelevant item in the cart based on your budget. Easily online shopping can actually give more control over the budget. So thank you. And for me, then I continue with my friend Henny.
Okay, thank you very much to my friend Muhammad Fikri and Muhammad Saiful for sharing the advantage of online shopping. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to Dr. Nushada binti Jamaluddin. My name is Kamarul Hini bin Kamaruddin, matric number 274211. Now I want to share about this advantage of online shopping. Okay, firstly, risk of fraud. Okay, while shopping online, we use card information online, so there is large risk of fraud. There can be online scam, phishing, hacking, and any more. There are some bogus website which is purposely designed to serve type of activity. This is one of the biggest disadvantage of online shopping. So before you shop online, keep in your mind advantage and disadvantage of online shopping. For second point, scammy and unfriendly website. Some websites do not disclose information to the customer without creating an account or sharing email ID. Later, they sell this contact detail in the market as sale lead. If it subscribe, the user cannot unsubscribe easily. Most of the time, website do not show information in an organized way to shop. If give hard time to buyer while making a purchase online. For the third point, why post sale support. While shopping in store, you may see shopkeepers support why buyer thing. But when you will shop online, they will be not support as such. In case you make blind purchase, you will regret later. Okay, that's all from me. Now I pass to my friend to discuss our opinion. Thank you.
Thank you to my friends. Greeting to lecturer Syuhada binti Jamaluddin. My name is Benedict Anak Petros, matric number 274928, and I will continue about the disadvantages of online shopping. Okay, the 4 point is long delivery wait. Most of the times, unexpected delay in delivery of book item can give hard times to the buyers. It just takes 5 minutes to book your order, and it may take 5 or 10 days to receive actually. While shopping things on the store will be handed over instantly to the buyers. No bargaining. Shopping in stores. We get shopkeeper or seller representative to talk to in order to bargain on the price. When it comes to online shopping, we will have to pay exactly the amount listed before the things. Sixth point is lack of touch with the items. Touching things while shopping at the physical store gives exact idea about the quality of the product. While this is not possible in online shopping, you can experience the touch of a purchased item only once it's booked. And the last point is lack of shopping experience. People find a lot of fun in the form of showrooms atmosphere. Active self-exclusive look and sound cannot get while pushing these things online. So this is all about the discussion of our group about the advantage of online shopping. So thank you very much